हॅलो यूट्यूब फॅमिली, गुड मॉर्निंग. कशी हा तुम्ही सगळीं? बरी हा न्हू? आयज ब्रेकफास्टाक म्हाजें मन येयलें पॉपकॉर्न करपाक. हें पॉपकॉर्न जावन आसा मायक्रोवेवान करपाचें. ओके, हेजें प्लास्टीक कवर ओपन करून हांव तुमकां दाखयतां आनी तें मायक्रोवेवान घालप. ओके, मायक्रोवेव पॉपकॉर्न बटर फ्लेवर इट इज. ओके, मागीर सांजची आयज सॅटरडे न्हू, आयज इवनींग हांव आनी म्हाजी भुरगीं मुवी पळोवपा आहा. टायमपास पॉपकॉर्न खावया म्हटलें. सिनेमा हॉलान बसून खाता पळय तो हें. वॉट दे ब्रेकफास्टाक, वॉट दे इवनींग टायम when we are watching movie. Okay, I will show you how to do microwave popcorn. हें जावन आसा, हांवें ओपन केलां आतां. हें पॉपकॉर्न आतां ओपन करून अशें दवरपा हा मायक्रोवेवान स्ट्रेट अशें. At least for 1 minute you have to put. It's written here, fresh popcorn in minutes. At least 2 minutes you have to keep. Within 2 minutes it become. When the popping sound stop, no, you have to open the microwave. Okay. So I'm putting in microwave now. My microwave is started now on 1 minute. 1 or 2 minutes. 2 minutes, yeah, okay. You can see the popping sound of the popcorn in the microwave. Within 1 minute it's done. Nice flavor is coming, smell outside microwave. See, it's on 1 minute now already. It's coming on 0 here. Still the popping sound is coming. When the popcorn sound stop, to open the microwave. See the microwave inside how it is. It's all smoky inside. The popcorn is ready now in the paper bag. See, you have to be careful when you're opening this bag. It's hot oil and steam. You can see the nice flavor popcorn, butter flavor, nice, very crispy and butter flavor to it. So now it's cooled down. So I will be filling this whole popcorn in the container. This is my jar. See, this is my popcorn jar. Now it's full, ready. Me and my family will enjoy nicely in the evening when we are watching movie at home. And some will be for breakfast. It's full, big content jar. I hope you like this video. Please share and subscribe and like. Bye bye. See you in next video. Thank you.